Hello my friend, so we have a lot of very good items. For example, Calvin Klein man boxer, and we have Tommy Hilfiger man boxer, we have Under Armour man boxer, and obviously we have ladies bikini Calvin Klein. Okay, we have Levi jeans. We have always Levi jeans, and we have Tommy Hilfiger and Calvin Klein hoodie and non without hoodie sweatshirt. We have a Calvin Klein t-shirt box, 3-pack and 4-pack. Okay, we have a gaze t-shirt, excellent t-shirt in gaze. And we have Levi's t-shirt for Levi's. Then we have Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt. We have children. For children we have boxer undergarments, and we have men loose without box boxer. Nice item.